Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So today I'm going to be making the roller just seeing in the corner there, and I'll start with the top plane. So I'll draw a circle that is 45 millimeters in diameter. Then I will make another one that is 150 millimeters in diameter. I want to extrude this using the middle plane, the mid plane, height of 150 millimeters. So I'm going to draw another circle that is 130. I'm going to extrude cut 30 mm. So I'm going to do what is called the mirroring. I'm going to select my top plane here, so I have the main part of the roller. Okay, actually I'm going to make this 200 millimeters. It's slightly small. Okay, like that. So the next part is to create those stand points, and how I made these, like I'll come here, go up by 12 millimeters, and now select a midpoint line, make a line that is 18 millimeters wide. From here I have two options. I can select a rectangle like this, like this, 15 mm. Oh, yeah, so I'm going to extrude this through all. Oh, sorry, that is extrude cut. Extruding through all. Okay, think about merging, but I want first merge. I'll leave piece by piece for now. Actually, no. Let me do the merge. Yes, perfect. So the next step is going to be doing a circular pattern. I'm going to select this. Points have been selected automatically. However, I'll reduce this number to 17, and I keep it at this. Yeah. So Here we are with our roller, as you have seen. So from here you can go ahead and select the material. Remember, use plain carbon steel like that. So this piece is high, it has increased in size. So what we are going to do, going to reverse it. Yes, this one that is supposed to be cut out and this one left on top. So from here, go back, edit the feature. In fact, you are going to delete the feature. And when we do, we are going to do the extrude cut through all, like that. So from here, we are going to apply the circular pattern. Yeah, so this is it. You can go ahead and do some fillet around, and do for 2, just to make everything smooth. Yeah, so I think, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Keep around for another video.